Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing another vlog. I am doing a day in my life and today should be the most productive day ever. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along and see what a very productive day looks like. Today is actually Saturday. It's 12... Nope, can you see it? Nope, no. 12:06. These are my littles. Love them. Hi. Today's Saturday, like I just said, and I have a lot to do today. I actually had a really strong calendar of things I needed to do, and they all got canceled. And when I say they all got canceled, I mean I canceled them. Cleared my calendar for the day because I have not had a break in a really long time and I think I deserve it. I was looking at my calendar and last time I had a day completely off was May 6th. Yikes. I thought it'd be fun to make a list of all the things that I wanted to do today and then just kind of with you guys check them off and complete them. I don't know if you guys do this, but I always make a list in my reminders because you can just check them off really easily. Let's make it look the red color. Okay, I just canceled it by accident. First thing I want to do today is go to the gym. I want to do my laundry because I haven't done that in a while. I want to study for my micro test. So I always write out my to-do list for the week. So today's Saturday, so it's not really a weekday. But I couldn't remember if my test for stats was this week or next week. I didn't write it down, I guess. When is it? Oh, okay. It's in a while. I really want to study for that class so I don't get a bad grade in it. I want to take a body shower. Hopefully shave when I do that. Oh, I'd love to self-tan tonight. I also want to go grocery shopping, eat healthy today. Oh, I want to clean my room. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to do today. Clean cups in my room. Work on my video. Okay, so I have a list of 10 things that I want to get done today. They're all little things, but I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff today, so that's going to be exciting. First thing though that I want to do is go to the gym. Last time I went to the gym, I fell on the stairs and slid down all of them and I really hurt my elbow. I don't know if you can see all the bruises on it, but it really hurt. I couldn't move it for a while. I definitely thought I sprained it or something. But yeah, hopefully I don't fall at the gym again. I want to start eating healthier and being healthier. I just kind of got in this cycle of always eating like crap, treating my body like crap, and just not really caring. That's not what I want to do. I definitely am getting a late start to the day. I fell asleep really late and I woke up really late, but I do think that I deserve to treat myself and sleep in every once in a while, you know? Okay, let's get dressed for the gym. First, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and wash my face and everything. Here's what I'm wearing to the gym. I look absolutely stupid. Maybe I should untie this, but I don't really care that much. Yeah, yeah. That's where I lived last year. I lived on the top floor, but on the other side, a little bit, right, on the other side of that. Fun fact for your Monday. You're watching this on Monday. While I walk back from the gym. My walk, I live so far from the SDFC, which is ASU's gym. This building right here is my favorite place to study for finals because it's so relaxing. Hello, so a little bit later, the whole being productive thing didn't really work in my favor. It is now 5 o'clock, it's 4:59, so 5 basically. And I went to the gym and then I was gonna go home and do all this stuff. And then I ended up watching a movie, talking to friends down there for 4 hours. So it wasn't productive at all. It didn't work out, yeah? But I've had a good day. So I thought for the rest of the night I would try to be productive and do the stuff that I was planning on doing. Let's look at my list. So I probably won't have time to go to the grocery store. One thing I would do is separate my laundry and put it in the washer while I take a shower. I guess the only thing that I really can't do, well, I guess I can go grocery shopping. I just don't feel like going grocery shopping so late at night. I had a pizza for lunch. It was one of those California Pizza Kitchen pizzas and it was really gross. I also have these flowers that I should really throw away. But I'm not very hungry right now, so I think the first thing that I want to do right now is just separate my laundry and then while it's in the washer, I'm gonna take a shower. I hate doing my laundry here just because the machines are so small. I always just have so much laundry to do at all times, so I really get a good use out of my wardrobe, but I have a lot of stuff in here, so I'm gonna separate the whites and the colors right now. Oh, Alexa, pause. Next thing I need to do is just clean this all up. I like to wash my jeans and colors differently, and then I think I'm gonna shower really quickly. I actually might just like wash my hair and then shave and like exfoliate later because I do want to spray tan tonight, but I don't want to spray tan so early in the day. Just finished my shower. I brushed my hair and everything. My laundry is still not done, so I'm just gonna tidy up my room a little bit. I'm not gonna deep clean it. I did do like a huge like deep clean and organization video a couple weeks back if you guys want to go check that out. I also just found out that a fraternity is bringing us mac and cheese, which I'm pretty excited about. So yeah, 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna get done as much as I can right now. Also, I'm watching Wizards of Waverly Place on Disney Plus. Thank you so much, Emma, for letting me use it. This one is Harper Knows. Cool. Is this where she finds out they're wizards? Anyways, I'm really excited, as you can tell, and I'm just gonna get to cleaning. My laundry is now done, so I'm going to get out another Tide Pod to do my whites. Okay. Woohoo. Let's get out the white clothes. My side of the room is pretty much all tidied up. Yeah, I'm gonna make my bed even though it's like almost 6 o'clock at night. I just feel like my room's not clean if my bed's not made, so what was the point of cleaning it if my bed's not made? Also, I thought I would show you guys, this is my favorite candle. It's Champagne Toast. Apparently the person at Bath and Body Works said it's not just like a winter edition, they just have it like all wintry and cute, but it's the best smelling thing ever. Highly recommend. I need to get a new lighter. The lid is also really freaking cute, so that is always lit in my room whenever I'm in here. If I'm not in here, it's not lit, don't worry. It smells so good in here. Still watching Wizards of Waverly Place, waiting for some mac and cheese, and then I think I'm gonna bring these downstairs. I got these from Target. It was a 3-pack. This is kind of gross. I had chai latte in it, and it does Be a Good Human, a really good deal from Target to have a 3-pack. We're in Trader Joe's. You want to be in my video?
Wait, don't show her.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
We are reading the mean comments on one of my videos.
I'm so honored to be in this video.
We have the mini card.
I'm a false representative of the blonde.
Oh, you're not blonde?
Should I just say, this is my natural hair color? Ew. Not ew your color, ew what you just did.
I don't know what to get. Here's what I'm getting so far. I got this tiny cart because I thought it was funny, but I'm kind of struggling because the cart's not big enough for everything. My newest obsession is chai, and I'm trying to figure out how many ounces are in a cup. How many ounces are in a cup? I definitely learned this when I was like, oh, 8, so that's half a cup. Dang it. You can just do whatever you want to do.
Hi guys, this is my Trader Joe's haul.
Oh my god, Aspen also owns Trader Joe's.
Maddie told me that I didn't get anything healthy, so then I got bananas
good.
Carrots, but then I got ice cream.
Ooh, is this good?
Yeah, it's really good. I'm lactose intolerant, so it's dairy free.
Ooh.
Really exciting stuff.
riveting content.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I did everything on my list besides study and self-tan, so a pretty productive day. I love you guys so much. Follow my Instagram if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!